Mr. Narendra Modi appeared as a guest on the Zerodha co-founder Nikhil Kamat's podcast series called People by WTF. During the 2-hour episode, Prime Minister Modi discussed a wide range of topics, including his tenure as the Gujarat Chief Minister, India's technological progress, the role of social media, politics and its connections to entrepreneurship. During the podcast, Prime Minister Modi also recalled a speech that he had given while serving as the Gujarat Chief Minister, where he acknowledged that mistakes are inevitable. And I too must have made mistakes. This is what he said. Listen in to what he told in the podcast.
जब आप पहले कह रहे थे कि वो जो लोगों के साथ रहना, फीलिंग फॉर देम, वो एम्पैथी, सिंपैथी, क्या आपके चाइल्डहुड में ऐसी कोई चीजें थी which made you like that? मतलब जैसे आप कह रहे थे कि पॉलिटिशियन जब आप बनना चाहते हैं तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट यू, यू आर सेकेंडरी. जो लोग हैं जिनके लिए आप पॉलिटिशियन हैं वो पहला बन जाते हैं. आपके चाइल्डहुड में ऐसी कोई चीज थी जिसकी वजह से वो?
ऐसा है कि मेरा जीवन मैंने नहीं बनाया है, हालात ने बनाया है. मैं बचपन से जो जिंदगी गुजार करके आया हूं, मैं उसकी गहराई में जाना नहीं चाहता हूं कि अलग मेरा बचपन बीता है. लेकिन वो जिंदगी बहुत कुछ सिखाती है जी. और शायद वही मेरा एक प्रकार से सबसे बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी थी. जब मुख्यमंत्री बना तो मेरा एक भाषण था और सहज रूप से मैंने कहा था कि मैं मेहनत करने में कोई कमी नहीं रखूंगा. दूसरा, मैं मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करूंगा. और तीसरा, मनुष्य हूं, गलती हो सकती है, बद इरादे से गलत नहीं करूंगा.
Now, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the podcast said that he is human and not a god and can make mistakes, the Congress leaders took a swipe at him, accusing him of indulging in damage control. The Congress spokesperson Supriya Srinath criticized Prime Minister Modi on social media, stating that while he once referred to himself as a messenger of God, he is now asserting that he is only human. Listen in.
कि मैं भी इंसान हूं, मुझसे गलती होती है, गलती हो सकती है नहीं. आपने भयंकर भूल की है, नोटबंदी कर. आज तक देश की अर्थव्यवस्था पटरी पे नहीं आ पाई. जीडीपी गिरकर कहां पहुंच गया. बड़ा आदमी वो होता है, ईमानदार आदमी वो होता है, सच्चे दिल का आदमी वो होता है जो गलती स्वीकार भी करे और गलती के लिए माफी भी मांगे. मैं तो आपसे कहूंगा एक कदम और आगे बढ़िए, देश से इन गलतियों के लिए माफी मांगे.
My colleague Pradeep Datta joins us on the broadcast with the details. Pradeep, now this was a podcast that the Prime Minister did, speaking in a very light-hearted manner, and he was very interactive in this. But clearly a big controversy breaking out over his statement that while he was Chief Minister, he had admitted that I'm only human and I can make mistakes.
Yes, Pratima, one thing is quite clear. The Prime Minister finally made a debut on podcast. We have seen the Prime Minister reviving radio with his Man Ki Baat, and he has given several television interviews during the last 10 years, 11 years. But now you can see that he has also made a debut on the podcast where he was interacting, talking about the role of social media and technology. And he said that, that as a Chief Minister in Gujarat, he has to earn his human, and in one of the speech he had made mistakes. And that's what he was not a god. But we have seen that already the controversy has started over this issue also, and the political slugfest has started where the Congress is trying to hit out at Prime Minister saying this is nothing but a damage control because he's the same Prime Minister who himself had called that he's a messenger of God. Now he is trying to go for the damage control, saying that this was basically he is a human being and a human being can make mistakes and learn from those mistakes. But what is more important is the diversity of the topics the Prime Minister really discussed about. He said that for him the most important thing is that nation first, and he has always tried to give his Shat Pratishat 100% and try to learn from the mistake. And that's really what actually is, the life is all about. And that's what Prime Minister is talking about. But yes, opposition party leaders have they have their due right to criticize, but I think unnecessarily they are trying to pick up the issue, because this is something that is true for each and every human being. Because you commit mistake, you admit it, and you learn from the past, and then improvise from that. That's what actually the Prime Minister was talking about, because it was a lighter conversation where the Prime Minister was trying to speak out his heart, and he was not acting as a Prime Minister.
Yes, and the Prime Minister was making a light-hearted conversation, like you mentioned, but politics breaking out yet again. Thank you for joining us with those details, Pradeep.